You're doing the work, you're getting the results, but you're not getting promoted. Let's talk about why. So if you're watching this, chances are you're waiting on a promotion instead of asking. Let's switch this up. Do you know why you haven't gotten that promotion? Here's a few reasons why. So let's talk about how you're managing tasks instead of leading like a strategy boss. You're managing and regurgitating what's been told to you instead of actually leading. So taking initiative and taking the lead is essential in getting a promotion. Getting a promotion is connecting your work, your achievements, and your results to the bottom line of the organization. Another reason why you're not getting promotion, you're seen as a doer instead of a decision maker. Let's change that. You're sitting there waiting on permission instead of showing initiative. I bet you're one of these people that dread professional development time. You don't want to do your performance review. You're cringing at your appraisal. Guess what? I'm always excited about performance review time. Guess what? Because I got a brag book. All the projects I've done, all the things I have initiated, executed, and implemented. This is how you get your raises and promotions. So management, leadership, and the C-suite, they don't want anybody sitting at their desk waiting on permission. They want somebody that leads and stands up and say, I got it, it's handled, it's done. And guess what? Normally that's you. You're just sitting there waiting for them to ask you. That is not how you get your raises or your promotions. So consider this your official permission slip to stop sitting there waiting on the right time. The right time is tomorrow. Ooh, another reason why you're lacking a promotion is it's not that you're not doing the work. You lack the language that management understands. You keep saying, I only, I just, I always do this. Instead of I plan, led, and manage. I executed. I got shit done. I reduced this. I increased that. That's what leadership wants to see. And ladies and gentlemen, this doesn't need to be in large, extravagant numbers. If you improve the process by one daggone week, that's good enough. If you decrease something by 2 or 3%, that could be hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars. If you did anything where you got an applause or, oh my God, that was great, you need to be writing that down in your brag book. So the takeaway from this is we're not going to be sad and disgruntled and can't sleep and stomach and jitters around performance review time. When it comes back around, we're going to be excited because we're going to have our brag book of the projects that we've executed. Your language alone can shift how you perceive. There's so many times I get on these free consults, which by the way, you can schedule one in the comments. But people that have been doing project management for 5, 10, even 15 years say, you know what, Tamara, I've only managed a multi-million-dollar project. I just developed XYZ. And you know, just the language and the body language will have you thinking that they have done absolutely nothing until I go on LinkedIn or I get a glimpse of their resume. And I'm like, whoa, blown out the water at the achievements. So understanding you have to use the project management language versus your everyday, I did this, I did that. So what I want you to do is when you wake up in the morning, wash your face, brush your teeth, I want you to look and say, I am a boss project manager, regardless of the title or not. When you get on that Zoom, I want you to confidently say, I have a question. Or when you get on that Zoom, I want you to make a recommendation. So I have a little free 99. So your next Zoom meeting or your next in-person meeting, please be on camera, off mute, and ready to participate. Let leadership know what you have planned, managed, or even contribute to that project. I want to leave you with this final mindset shift. You're no longer waiting on your turn. You are building your seat at the table. Confidence attracts. Y'all, confidence attracts leadership, management, acknowledgement, and guess what? Raises and promotions. Y'all, let me be real. I have been in this seat teaching project management for years, and it is so heartbreaking. I've seen people that have been working in project management 5, 10, 15 years and have gotten little or no promotion. And when I say little, 2 or 3%. But let me tell you, it does not have to be like that. People that are in my tribe, in my community, they are getting 20, 30, 40, 50% increases, not just because of the PMP certification, it is because of the terminology, the leadership, and the confidence that it brings. So if you are ready, if you are really ready to stop just sitting there doing the work, not getting the pay, not getting the acknowledgement, make sure that you register below and stop playing with this, y'all. If this hits home, it is time to do something different. And I mean today. Everything that you need is in the description below. I'm Tamara McLemore, Chief Impact Officer. See you in the next video.